With the crypto market bouncing back today, a lot of people are getting very excited. As a matter of fact, you know what? You can read the headline, right? Shiba Inu Coin is flashing bullish entry signals with a chart targeting 2,000 points per coin. I don't know if you can actually hear the cat purring right now, but she's purring right into the microphone. Anyway, regardless of that, you've got Shiba Inu Coin bouncing back beautifully right now, sitting at 1367 points per coin. It is a green line on the day, 5% growth. And the most important part, Bitcoin leading the charge higher. Guys, Bitcoin is sitting at $97,150 per coin right now. It is breaking out of that $95,000 level of resistance. And if it could just get past this little area right here, we could be back up above the $100,000 mark. People could be buying like crazy. The FOMO will begin and prices will soar. So let's talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, we've got beautiful prices in Bitcoin. We've got beautiful prices in Shiba Inu. Go on down the list today, right? I mean, everything is green. Everything is looking good. The cryptocurrency market is bouncing back, yet people are still sitting here thinking, should I buy? Should I sell? Should I buy? Should I sell? Should I buy? Should I sell? The indecision is crazy because the sentiment is at a level of 51. 51 is almost perfect neutrality. They don't know if they're bullish or bearish. They don't know if they're afraid or if they're greedy. They don't know what to think next. But if we follow the charts, we are sitting on some very nice gains at the moment. And if we follow the charts, Shiba Inu Coin is flashing bullish entry signals. Now, I will say this. One of the ways that I have been able to make it through this extremely fearful market is diversification. Now, you guys know I've done a lot of videos on them. Solixy, Layer 2 blockchain. Best Wallet, a utility that is already in existence with hundreds of thousands of downloads on their wallet and 4.4-star reviews. You've got Mind of Pepe. Guys, Mind of Pepe is one of the best AI agents out there, and AI agent search volume is the highest that it's ever been. Bitcoin Bull. Guys, Bitcoin's on the brink of breaking out once again, and you earn free Bitcoin if you hold your Bitcoin Bull in Best Wallet. So we'll talk a little bit more about Best Wallet at the end of the video here. Let's go over what's happening with Shiba Inu Coin right now. And please, for everything, do not sit on your hands. Do not let this opportunity pass you by. So, some key takeaways. We don't need to go through this entire article. It's a rather long article. It says, after trading between 1,000 and 1,400 points per coin throughout April, Shiba Inu Coin may exit its consolidation with bullish momentum. A breakout or confirmed breakout above the neckline at 1,100 points per coin supports the potential trend reversal from bearish to bullish. A drop in the 90-day mean dollar invested age, MDIA, suggests that previously idle SHIB is now circulating. And if Shiba Inu Coin breaks 1,500 resistance, the next target could be the 0.618 Fibonacci level around 1,900 points per coin. So let's take a look at that. Shiba Inu Coin has twice attempted in the last couple of months 1,500 and 1,500. It has been unsuccessful, but Shiba Inu Coin has double bottomed at this 1,000 point per coin level, and it is on the rise right now. Now, we know that the cryptocurrency market is cyclical, and one of the cycles that takes place, beyond the 4-year bull to bear market cycles, all of that, one of the cycles that takes place is moving from a situation of fear into greed. People move first when they're going from risk off to risk on. They buy the less risky assets, and then they average into or quickly move over to the risky assets. So what you're seeing here is Shiba Inu Coin near a fresh low, bottoming off of these levels around 1,000 points per coin, and people have not started pouring in yet, but they have started pouring in to Bitcoin. Guys, Bitcoin is the most well-known. It is the most widely held. It is the largest cryptocurrency in the world. And what we're experiencing is a beautiful breakout. Holy smokes. Do not think that this is like just some sort of a fad. They tell you this day in and day out. And you're already noticing idiots like Peter Schiff out on X. He's becoming more and more quiet as Bitcoin is breaking out to the upside. He was very loud down in these areas right here. But he's pulling back because Bitcoin is breaking out. Now, what's going to end up happening is that cyclical nature. After people saturate Bitcoin once again, and it breaks through these all-time highs. I mean, look how close it is to the all-time highs, guys. This is 3 days away, right? We could be back up to these levels in 3 days based on its previous action. As Bitcoin breaks up to these all-time highs, people will be inspired once again. They're going to start to think, hey, Bitcoin might be a little expensive, so what do we got to do? We got to go out there and we got to buy some altcoins. They're going to start pouring into Ethereum, 5% gain on the day today. Solana, 8% gain on the day today. XRP, 4. Doge, 7. SUI, 9. You guys get it. Even Trump official is up $13.11 per coin right now. Once they start pouring into the risky assets, the prices will explode. So we're seeing that cycle begin. Yet, Shiba Inu Coin is still near a bottom. Trump is still 7x away from its all-time high. Dogecoin, 3-4x gains away from its all-time high. Solana could double to get back up to its all-time high. Guys, we are sitting on a major opportunity right now. The only thing that we have to do is jump ahead in the cycle, right? Now think about this. If you know, time and time and time again, the pattern repeats itself. Bitcoin into major altcoins, into meme coins. Bitcoin's already experiencing the rise. What's going to be next? Major altcoins like Solana. What's going to be next? Meme coins like Trump official and Shiba Inu Coin and the rest of the meme coins that are out there. So if we go in anticipation of these gains, buy in, we should experience these gains. But people don't do it because they fall victim to the emotion. They fall victim to the fear. You know what's going to happen? Prices are going to go back up to those all-time highs. Shiba Inu Coin will be back at 3,000, 4,000 points per coin. It'll be rising again, and the greed will be high. And then people will decide to buy in. Everybody always wants to buy at the top, and everybody always wants to sell at the bottom. I can only lead you to the water. I can't make you drink. Here we are. It is our decision to make. Now, I have been accumulating out on the KSX exchange. You guys got a link for it down in the description below. This is Solana right here. I don't even know. Futures fees on Solana, 0.01%. You guys can trade Solana on up to 75x leverage if you would like. But like I said at the beginning of the video, I am holding my cryptocurrency on the blockchain. So whether you're investing in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Shiba Inu Coin, or whatever, make sure to check out Best Wallet. Best Wallet is one of the highest rated wallets in the entire industry, 4.4 stars, hundreds of thousands of downloads, extremely easy to use, and you can get your hands on, not at the moment every crypto because they're continuing to add new blockchains to be supported, but you can get your hands on nearly any crypto that you guys would like to hold, and you can hold it directly in your custody on the blockchain. Let me know what you think about it all down in the comments below, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.